Good morning, gentlemen, and if there are a few ladies that watch this channel, good morning to you too. This is supposed to be a track video, and while we did go to the track, we were derailed. That is our throttle cable. Yeah, Henry. Throttle cable broke on the very first pass. I mean, it literally, maybe it went to the 60-foot mark, I guess, and throttle cable snapped. So that was our night, pretty much. Henry, no. That was our night. I have put basically one of Michael's races in there, and I've got one of Kevin's races in there, so McNugget was there. And Kevin will have his video up. I just put one of his. I didn't film anything else. I had to change tires, and you know, it was frustrating. You know, we've had, I think literally the last 5 track trips that we've had have been like, out of those 5, one of them has been good. We had LTD broke shift fork, LTD broke shift fork, LTD ran good, LTD did not do good, Mustang GT broke throttle cable. That's basically our last 5 track trips. Yeah, let me guess, any day of the track's better than a day at work. Okay. All right, so, you know, we worked all week, worked on the car literally every day, even if it was just for an hour, and got to the track, got there, got home okay. I'd like a big shout out to Big Block Kyle. He, when he got done making passes, he took his throttle cable off and let me put it on mine on this so I can just get home okay and everything. So shout out to Kyle once again, saving me. But you know, it was frustrating, and to be honest, the track wasn't in great shape. Some people were having some good luck, but by and far most people were struggling. Loose at the other end, got a new owner, prep guy wasn't there. You know, he's trying to get things sorted out, so you know, it's a little questionable. Pirate did run a personal best, 7:36 in Resurrection. He also ran a 39, but he needs that one more as per the rules to say it's a 7:30 car. But other than that, let me show you the clips real quick. We'll come back, wrap it up. All right, we are headed to the track. We got all our stuff. Now we get to surprise them with the carburetor. Mechanical speed density. Michael should already be here. What?
You can move over some.
I don't want to get too close.
Which way? That can go both ways.
That way. Look at this. Is this what's going to deal with Kevin?
Maybe.
Is this going to deal with Kevin?
Hey, wait. This is what you really need to see. Hopefully these are what Kevin sees.
Oh, yeah.
He hates them so bad.
I know. He hates the 80, 83 through 86 taillights and SVO taillights, as they're also known. I'll tell you what else he's going to hate.
Oh, sweet. When'd you do that?
He's going to hate that. Uh-oh.
You sneaky,
Oh,
sneaky.
no. Oh, no. We got
Oh.
mechanical speed density on it now.
Oh, dog.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
What
Oh, no.
What have you done?
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh no! What did we do?
Look what you have done.
What did we do? We did a thing.
You have done.
Oh my gosh.
Which carburetor is that? Let's just go.
Yeah, it's a 650, but it's got that Proform main body on it. 85. I don't need no mechanical advance. I mean vacuum. I don't need. What do I need that for? That's for people.
You don't.
It's either wide open or puttering.
Son of a gun. Were you lighting her up? Took that old wiring harness out?
Oh gosh, yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna load up. That's it. I ain't gonna get beat by this car. I'm loading
It's
up.
probably gonna run like 780s.
I know better than that. It runs 770s with.
Yeah, but I ain't. Listen, I gotta turn this off so I can talk. Look who showed up. McNugget, it's at the track. Yeah.
Early, holy shit.
Do what? What are you talking about? I was like early last time too.
Okay, 2 times now.
Hey. Hey, we call that a streak.
We know Eric won't
Now,
be
just
here.
because you show up early don't mean you can leave early.
Well, like I told Michael, the only thing I like better than running quick ETs is hurting feelings, and I'm going to hurt some tonight. I'm going to hang around for a while.
Hey, before you think maybe not.
What?
Look at that sneaky butt over there.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
Nothing. I ain't done nothing. Look at that piece of shit. Rumbling. Where's he going, Michael? Is he looking for a place to hide? Is he looking for a place to hide over there?
He's getting every
He's-
advantage he can while warming everything
Put
up.
some temperature in it. Put a little temperature in it.
Heated
Yeah.
up.
Put a little heat in the whole thing. Yeah. Look at him. Look at that fine piece of machinery. Dude. Oh, it.
What's that thing got in it? An F-cam?
Yeah, F-cam. He said, he was talking about how it didn't sound good or something. It wouldn't run right. Look, it sounded like it ran all right to me.
I've just been looking for reasons not to show
I'm
up.
telling you. Well, his wife made him come. He's got to come up here and defend his honor. She saw the group text where we were just kicking him. I mean, honestly, if you was to shake his sack right now, it sounded like a bag of marbles just rattling because his nuts is all crushed. We just smashed him. We just kicked him. And we kicked him when he was down. We didn't care.
Well, that's generally how we do it.
That's how we do
Never
it.
support them when they're up.
We wait for him to get down, then we start kicking.
Seems like it's
There he comes. Look at him.
more vulnerable.
More vulnerable. That's how we like it. Show us your throat. Expose yourself. Look at him. That's a race car driver right there, folks. That is a race car driver. All right, comes Eric and McNugget. Kevin's going after the low-hanging fruit early. Track prep is questionable, to say the least. Got a new owner. Didn't have some people here, and we don't really know what we've got. A couple cars that went down, they spud. Oh. There goes Eric! Woo! He's getting it, son! Oh no. 8-11. McNugget's first loss of the night. Dang it. Alright, here comes Pirate and Resurrection. We're gonna find out if there's anything here on the track. It's gonna be a long night, I think. Yes, sort of. But it's been cold. There's been no sun out today hardly, so. Yeah. Goodness gracious, man. Put that thing in the beans, dude. What are they? Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, Michael had a problem. I don't know what happened. That's not good either. Michael went 824 at 89. He had some kind of issue.
So our first pass will be a single.
You saw it all. We ran like a 1965 at 1915. So anyway, so what's next for, what are we doing? this car's a little bit of a quandary for me. I'm actually kind of happy with the way it's running. There's a few little odds and ends we're going to do. I'm actually thinking about doing a bunch of trimming in the front subframe area, just trimming all that just screwing around. This car's rusty. It's a piece of crap. So I don't really feel bad about cutting into it a lot. I mean, it's garbage. It's just a garbage car. So I mean, that's the beauty of having garbage. Sometimes you don't care. Well, I don't know if I ever really care. I care about the LTD, so, but this car, whatever. So I don't really know. I've got some other stuff that I want to do, but we really need to go to the track and get a baseline of where we're at before we start making a bunch of wholesale changes, because we got stuff we can do to it to kind of, and I really have no idea what's going to run. So anyway, all right, well, we may work on it a little bit. We got to do the throttle cable for sure. I've got another one at the plant. I got to take Kyle's off. Blah blah blah. So anyway, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Henry's digging something up that you don't need to be messing with. And as always, thanks for watching. And until next time on Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this right here YouTube that you're watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.